Hi, I'm Terry. Nice Guys Buying Houses is a local, family-owned real estate investment company. What does that mean for you? Well, that means we live, work, and play in the communities where we invest. Sure, you could sell your house to a national company, but wouldn't it be great to deal locally with people who live and work in your community and a company that pours right back into it? So listen, if you have a house, a piece of land, apartment, mobile home, or any other piece of real estate you might be interested in selling, why don't you give us a call and see if we can help you? And I want to thank you for taking the time to learn more about our company.
Hi, I'm Beth. I'm one of the people that will come out to your house once you make an appointment. Together, we will work to make sure everyone gets a win-win situation. Don't forget to check us out on the Better Business Bureau, and please give us an opportunity to buy your house when you're ready.
Hi, I'm Maggie, and I create a smooth closing process. Most sellers cannot believe how easy it is to sell to us, and I'm convinced you couldn't find a better company to buy your home.
My name's Allie, and I am the marketing director. My job is to track all of the flips from start to finish on Facebook and Instagram, and we would love to buy your home.
Hi, I'm Oleg, the project manager. I'm the one who makes it all happen with the contractors behind the scenes. We're always looking for more houses to buy, so please sell us yours.
Hey y'all, I'm Molly. I'll be your first point of contact when you call into the office. I'll get an appointment set up for you to meet with our purchase manager. So if you have a house to sell, please give us a call.
Well, as I mentioned earlier, we're a family-owned business, and this is my family. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn more about Nice Guys Buying Houses.
And they really are nice guys. I would know. I'm married to one.
Aw, thanks.